Hi, and welcome back to the channel. As a self-employed business owner, there are some taxes that we have to pay or pay differently compared to someone that may be a W-2 employee. And one of those types of taxes is self-employment tax. So today in this week's episode, we are going to be diving into what it is and what you need to know about it as a small business owner. So let's jump on in. Hi, I'm Heather, a wedding and senior photographer based in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and on this channel, I help other photographers understand and manage taxes as a small business owner, streamline their systems so that they can spend more time with family and friends, and I also love to give a little sneak peek into my life here and there. But like I mentioned, today's episode is about a specific tax that we as small business owners need to pay differently than someone that may be an employee with a W-2 for their taxes. So we're going to dive into what it is, what it covers, and how to make sure that you're taking care of it as a small business owner. All right, so self-employment tax is what we are going to be discussing today. And self-employment tax covers our contributions to Social Security and Medicare. As a small business owner, we have to do things a little bit differently than someone who is an employee to a company. As an employee, your employer already sets up these two taxes to come out of your income in each of your pay stubs. And so it's something that you kind of don't need to worry about as an employee because it's already being taken care of by your employer, and all you would need to do is fill out a W-4 form to give them all of the information that they need to then take care of it on the back end. So if you were an employee or are an employee and have that as another business as well, you can look at your pay stubs and or invoices and see that there are already line items taken out before you receive your final paycheck for Medicare and Social Security. But as a small business owner and being a one-woman show or one-man show, you need to take care of those things on your own. And so self-employment tax is where those two things are covered. And we, instead of only owing half of it, like you would if you were in an employee-employer relationship because your employer would pay for the other half, we need to pay for all of it and take care of all of those contributions throughout the year. So to break it down a little bit, just so you know, self-employment tax is a 15.3% tax on your income. 12.4% of that is for Social Security and 2.9% of it is for Medicare, but you just pay it as one sum for your self-employment tax. Now, these taxes are taken out during your yearly tax return or those quarterly estimated taxes that you owe, but you need to pay them throughout the year and make sure that you are contributing to both of those things. Now, if you work with an accountant, they will make sure that you are making those payments and you don't really need to worry about it because it will already be included in your estimated tax voucher or your tax return and the money that you owe for those different payments for federal, state, and local returns. But if you would be doing this on your own, then you need to be filling out Schedule SE to take care of figuring out what you owe for those two contributions for Social Security and Medicare. I highly recommend working with an accountant, like I always mention, because it just makes your life easier and make sure that you're paying your taxes correctly and taking care of yourself for the future when Medicare and Social Security would kick in. So please make sure that this is something that you are taking care of if you're doing it on your own. And if you're working with an accountant, it should be something that you don't need to worry about. But I just want you to know what all is being taken out and what all you are paying for when it comes to taxes as a small business owner. Now, if you have any more questions about this, feel free to drop them below in the comments. And down in the description, you will be able to grab my freebie for 45 goals to have completed during your first year as a business owner. I want to help you get the right foot forward when you're starting out. And these 45 goals are something to work towards to get your business set up in the right way and start marketing to your ideal clients. So go ahead and grab that and let's start saving time in your business, and also make sure your systems are in place so that you're not working from both ends and burning the candle nonstop 24/7. So if you have any more questions, like I mentioned, drop them below. If you found this video helpful, I would love if you hit that subscribe button and follow along for more videos as they come out each week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one. See ya!